Hi everyone, welcome to Utilities of Tomorrow. My name is Tom Raftery. We are at the SAP for Utilities event in Den Haag, and with me I have
Chris Ford.
Chris. Which company are you with?
I work for SA Power Networks,
Where's SA Power Networks?
so it's the sole distributor for South Australia.
Okay. What kind of size organisation is it?
Well, we have about 2,000 employees, and we're essentially, as I said, the sole distributor for South Australia.
Okay. What kind of challenges are you facing in your organisation at the moment?
Well, really, at the moment, the Australian energy market is going through a huge amount of change. Every element of the company is being really transformed and under different challenges. So we've got everything from the type of and the way that the energy is generated from solar, wind and everything else changing, to regulation changing, as well as the new technologies coming in such as batteries that are really affecting the way the grid is operating. So very challenging, exciting times.
Okay, and you've rolled out a project recently around mobility. What was that about?
The key thing we're trying to do is really put the information or get the information directly from the field into the system. So we've rolled out some systems that enable our employees, in particular the field guys, to really enter information when they do the inspections directly onto iPads, and therefore there's no double handling of data. So we've in particular put some agile developments in place that are given the organisation, and particularly, as I said, the field guys, access to new technology in the palm of their hands so they can put the data in directly into the system.
What were they doing before?
They were out there with paper-based systems, recording it on essentially a manual basis. That was going back in, being re-entered manually in the back end of the system, often with errors of transcription. So this has really helped not only them give real quality to the data, but collect a lot more information at the same time, pictures and other things about the condition of the assets.
Okay. And have you cut down on steps? Is it a more efficient process now?
It's a much more efficient process. It's really cut out the admin part of it that was needed at the back end. And as I said, the operator can now enter the data directly, and the accuracy of that has gone up as well.
Okay. Any other outcomes from it?
Well, I think that what's another outcome has been that the operators themselves, the inspectors, have really embraced the new technology. They like the fact that we're giving them new technology. It's in the form of an iPad which they can use for personal use, so they're getting some value out of it from their own personal perspective. So they're looking, it looks to them, and it is, we are investing in them as individuals and as employees.
Okay, very good. And any more plans for any more projects going forward?
Well, we're considering a number of projects. We're continuing to expand on a HANA installation that we've already done, and really getting the value out of the analytics engines that we've installed to try and really understand the data that we have within the systems, and in particular how as an organisation we can get more value from that.
Chris, that's been great. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.